Hi, welcome back. Let's try to understand project M8 DACI and its four key roles. Let's try to understand. Okay, what exactly it is. So D means driver. This is a typical role from project manager, and he is charged and responsible for to finish the task. What actually project manager is going to do? If you have a project manual, project plan, and project manual, and after that you have a certain breakdown of the requirements, and after that you will have a lower level working and end-to-end task finish supposed to be done. And ultimately, it is the responsibility by project manager or team lead. Suppose if someone is leading SAP team or else non-SAP team, he is responsible to finish the task. Okay, so like he is primarily the drive, like whether it is agile methodology, whether it is regular waterfall methodology. Once the task finish, okay, so he need to update for future work and the estimation actually. This is typical project manager role. Okay, try means next C, approver. Okay, the role is basically you can say that like your customer stakeholder at a higher level, like or someone like if it is service company, then delivery manager. This is the inputs taken by project manager and or like team lead and stakeholders. Whether we can able to finish this work in the stipulated timeline with reference to the cost effectiveness. Okay, so like he's the authority. So probably like he can say that last moment, suppose you are in UAT phase, certain times you got a solution deviation is fine, you got a new requirement completely which is unachievable, then he can able to reject that requirement. Okay, so certain times he can break down certain amount of the works out of 100%, 30% can be absorbed in this phase. The remaining 70% will come into the next baseline or something like that. Okay, we have a doubt what is baseline. We'll discuss that one as another project term in future. Okay, driver, approver, and next one is contributor. Contributor means like consultants. It can be team lead or consultant who actually performs the task and his responsibility and his expertise, and he's the final solution provider. You can say that certain times contributors can be SMEs, subject matter experts, subject matter experts. They can be analysts or else lower level consultants. It can be like in software engineers. All these are the contributors. The fine, last but not least, informed those individuals, okay, who actually tracking of your project progress, but don't directly participate into your project configuration or coding, and like they're not like your project managers. They're ultimate stakeholder, like probably like delivery lead or delivery manager or someone like above that. They can able to track the progress of the project. That is what happens. Okay, now you understood. DACA means a driver, approver, contributor, and informed. Okay, so just know these kind of project terminology. If you would like to continue in projects, certain times they may say that DACA is affecting or else DACA for planning or something like that for any project. Okay, I think we learned something better today with this term. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 800 plus videos. And if you look at this is my dedicated Udemy for 5,974 students. Okay, like I have my top course in sales and distribution, 112 hours with 422 lectures. You can subscribe this. It can be like a backup. It can be helpful in your projects. Okay, and this is for real-time idoc training and getting mastered right functional. I must recommend these two courses for everyone before getting into the real time. So if you are like me, so much of interested in pricing, I have a couple of courses, and all these courses links I'm just providing below the description box. If you really like this video, please like it and share it. If you share the knowledge, you can improve other people, other consultant lives as well as in real time. Thanks so much. Have a great time. I'm wishing you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. Thank you.